Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are fine and safe. So, today we are going to move on with the fourth lesson, a pillar of strength. So, the overview in this lesson, we will read a poem about nature, learn about the sorry, learn about nouns denoting living and non living things, use language to compare things. So, we are going to learn the key components, all these key components. Okay, see literature, the pep activity 4.1. Who do you think is the strength of your family? Who holds your family together? Discuss with your partner. So as we cannot discuss with our partner, you can discuss with your family members. Okay, who do you think that they are the strength of your family, and who holds your family together? Okay, so then do the following. Draw a tree on the next page. Write the name of the strongest member of the family inside the trunk. So you know the parts of the tree, isn't it, my dear children? So you are going to draw a tree and write the name of the family member who is the strongest inside the trunk. Next, write the other family members on the branches and leaves. Discuss briefly how each member is related to you. Talk about why they are important to you and what they do that keeps your family together. So all those things we are going to discuss with your family members. Okay, how each member they are related to you and how why they are important. So in this page you are going to draw a tree and you are going to write the strongest member of your family in the trunk and others in the branches and the leaves, and you are going to discuss why they are important. Okay, let us now read a poem about a strong tree. So now we are going to read a poem about a strong tree. Okay, the strength of the tree fastens its foothold deep beneath. So fastens, so they have given here, see, fastens means lock. So foothold means a position that is secure of growth. Here it says about the roots. Okay, so it is locking and it is going. It is fixing its position deep beneath. Deep beneath means it is so under. Okay, strong, stronger, growing carefree. So it is growing as strong and stronger and carefree. It is not caring about anything. Okay, God's shelters God's creation underneath. So inside it is sheltering so many of the God's creation. Okay, my lovely legendary banyan tree. So legendary means ancient. Okay, here it denotes ancient. My lovely legendary banyan tree. So we are talking about the banyan tree. Spreads atop with lofty branches. Lofty means high or tall. So it is spreading its high and tall branches on the top. Okay, creating roots strong as ropes but slender. So it is creating the roots as strong as ropes, but it is very thin, allowing creepers to twine its trunks and branches. So it is allowing the creepers to wrap its trunks and branches, serving others like a benevolent mother. So benevolent means it is kind. So it is kind as so it is serving as a kind mother. Okay, so see here, did you know the banyan tree is the national tree of India? So you know it, isn't it? So one of the world's biggest banyan trees is located in Andhra Pradesh. So it is located in Andhra Pradesh, the world's biggest banyan trees. Okay, with amazing medicinal properties. It sways its leathery leaves with music melodies. So it is moving gently its leathery leaves with music melodies. Okay, it shows how to be united. Proves all life on earth is related. Comforts and teaches the need for conservation. It is full of life from the top to the next generation. So it is moving its leaves with its music melodies. It shows us how we have to be united, and it also proves the life on earth is related to one another. Okay, so it comforts and teaches the need for conservation. So it is teaching us the need for conservation, and it is full of life from the top to the next generation. So if you see the banyan tree, there will be so many birds, so many insects, so many things. It gives shelter for so many things, isn't it? So it is the life, full of life from the top to the next generation from its hanging roots. Okay, let us move on to the next page, the question time. So please read the poem again and complete the question time. Okay, you can use your notebook wherever necessary. Who shelters God creation and how? So you know the banyan tree shelters the God creation, and how you want to write your own reason. The banyan tree is slender or legendary or weak. It is legendary. Okay. Describe the roots of the banyan tree in your own words. That they have given. It is hanging from top to the bottom, and it is slender. It is at a thick. So you can write it in your own words. Which of these properties does the banyan tree have? Musical, natural, or medicinal? So, which of these properties it has? It has medicinal properties. What can the banyan tree teach us? Explain. So, they have given no from the top to bottom. It gives us it is full of life, and it teaches us so much of conservation and to shelter the God's creation. So all those things you can live. It shows how to be united. It proves the all life of on the earth is all related. So all those things you can write it in your own words. Okay, I will be sharing you the answers in the next class. Okay, so then you are going to complete the going beyond the text also. Okay, recall the line, comforts and teaches the need for conservation. Why do you think we need we should conserve nature? Reflect on human actions that are causing damage to nature in this context and explain. So in this why they are saying comforts and teaches the need for conservation, you want to think why we want to conserve the nature and how we are causing damages in this context. Okay, so in this line how we are damaging the nature you want to explain. Okay, this one you have to write on your own, my dear children. Going beyond text, we will not have any possible responses. It is your own thing and own what to say, own reflection, and you want to write it on your own in your own words. Okay, nature serves as like a benevolent mother. What do you think you should do to protect nature? How can your actions affect or conserve nature? Give examples and explain. So here they said the banyan tree. Now they are asking nature is also serving like us, as like a benevolent mother, isn't it, my dear? So it is serving us with a kind thing. So what do you think we should do to protect the nature? How can your actions affect or conserve nature? You have to give examples and explain. Okay, so complete this as a homework. Let us see the rest in our next class. Bye for now, my dear children.